Hello students. So in this video we will solve a numerical on osmotic pressure from NCERT. Question is you have to calculate the osmotic pressure in pascals, okay, exerted by a solution which is prepared by dissolving 1 gram of polymer of molar mass 185,000 in 450 milliliter of water at 37 degrees Celsius. So there is a solution where there is 1 gram of polymer is taken. Polymer is the solute, water is the solvent, mass of solute, that is polymer mass, is 1 gram, solvent is water whose volume is 450 milliliter. Okay, molar mass of solute is also given 185,000. Temperature is also given 37 degrees Celsius. Now our work is to calculate the osmotic pressure. So first of all you note down the question, then we will start solving it. Fine. So let us start solving. So first of all we will note down what is given to us. We will note down what is given to us, that is the molar mass of solute is given, mass of solute is given, polymer is our solute, mass of solute, let us give the symbol to be W2, okay, it is given to be 1 grams, molar mass of solute, that is capital M2, 185,000, okay, it is mentioned 185,000, okay. Now obviously it will be in grams per mole, unit will be grams per mole. Now we can calculate the number of moles of polymer. Polymer is our solute, okay, that is given mass by molar mass, M2, that is the number of moles symbol for solute, given mass W2 by molar mass. So we can calculate 1 by 185,000, that is your number of moles we got, okay. Now volume of solution is given to us, that is equal to 450 milliliter. Volume of solution, let us give the symbol V, capital V. Volume of solution is 450 milliliter. We need to convert in liter. You divide by 1000. So after division of 1000 you will get 0.450 liter. To convert milliliter in liter, you divide by 1000, okay. So now we will substitute all the values in our equation, but before that we need to write the value of gas constant, universal gas constant, but we have to express it in pascals. Remember, here it is asking that the value of osmotic pressure need to be in Pascal. So all of them are converted in SI units, that is why we converted in the volume in liters. Also the universal gas constant to be expressed in terms of Pascal, okay, that is 8.314 kilopascal, okay, 8.314 kilopascal liter mole inverse, Kelvin inverse. And if we convert in terms of Pascal, this is in terms of kilopascal. So it will be 8.314 into 10 to the power 3 Pascal liter mole inverse, Kelvin inverse. Now we will substitute all the values in our equation for osmotic pressure. So the symbol for osmotic pressure is pi. Osmotic pressure of the solution. Osmotic pressure of solution. Symbol is pi. Okay. Now that we have to find out. First you note down what is given to us, then we will apply the formula. Okay, now let us apply the formula for pi, that is osmotic pressure. And you know the formula for osmotic pressure to be, the formula for osmotic pressure, pi equal to CRT, where C is the molarity. Okay, C is the molarity of the solution. We also write molarity is number of moles of solute by volume of solution in liters. C is the molarity of the solution. Okay, C is equal to molarity of the solution, and molarity is calculated by number of moles of solute by volume of solution in liters. Okay, so instead of C we will substitute N2 by V into R into T. T is the temperature. Temperature is given to be 37 degrees Celsius. You convert into Kelvin because everything has to be in SI unit. So we will get 310 Kelvin. Now we will substitute all the values we have. We will simply substitute in the formula. N2 number of moles of solute, that is 1 by 185,000 given mass by molar mass, by volume of the solution in liter, that also we have found out, that is 0.450 liter, into R is 8.314 into 10 to the power 3. Okay, Pascal liter mole inverse, Kelvin inverse. Okay, along with that temperature 310 Kelvin. You will write in the single line. Okay, N2 by V into R into temperature 310 Kelvin. So we will again simplify, we can again simplify it. 1 by 185,000 into 1 by 0.450 into 8.314 into 10 to the power 3 Pascal liter mole inverse, Kelvin inverse into 310 Kelvin. Simply we did the reciprocal. So when you calculate this value, you will get in terms of Pascal the answer, that is 30.96 Pascal. So after calculation you get 30.96 Pascal. So we got the value of osmotic pressure pi in terms of Pascal as was asked in the question. Complete this, and that is the answer of this question. Thank you.